Have you ever heard that some types of wood are more valuable than gold? It's true. Certain woods are so rare and precious that a single tree can be worth millions of dollars. In this video, we'll explore some of the world's rarest types of wood, from a tree that sells for an astonishing amount to ancient wood that has been preserved for tens of thousands of years. Let's dive into these fascinating and extraordinary materials. The world's rarest wood, how a single tree can be worth millions. African Blackwood. The million-dollar tree. African Blackwood is widely considered the most expensive wood in the world. Its dense, dark heartwood makes it a prized material, particularly for crafting high-end musical instruments like clarinets and oboes. However, its extreme rarity drives up its value to over $10,000 per cubic meter. Unfortunately, over-harvesting and the tree's slow growth have pushed it to critically endangered status. With limited supply and high demand, African Blackwood is not only one of the most valuable woods, but also one of the most protected, making it a true symbol of luxury and rarity. Lignum Vitae. The wood that sinks. Lignum Vitae is an incredibly dense wood, so heavy that it actually sinks in water, a rare feature for any type of timber. Its durability and natural self-lubricating properties made it a valuable material in shipbuilding, especially for crafting propeller shaft bearings. Historically, it was used in early naval ships due to its toughness. Unfortunately, like many rare woods, Lignum Vitae grows slowly and has become a protected species in many regions. Its dense structure and remarkable historical uses make it one of the most unique woods on the planet. Kauri wood. 50,000-year-old wood from ancient swamps. Kauri wood is unlike anything else because it isn't harvested from living trees. Instead, it's found buried in swamps in New Zealand, where it has been preserved for up to 50,000 years. Known as ancient Kauri, this wood is prized for its golden, lustrous grain and can be traced back to the Ice Age. The limited supply of these prehistoric trees and their immense historical significance make ancient Kauri incredibly valuable. Every piece is a unique window into the past, allowing people to own a fragment of ancient history. Purpleheart. Nature's vibrant wonder. One of the most visually striking woods, Purpleheart stands out due to its vibrant color, which naturally turns a deep purple after exposure to air. This exotic wood is highly sought after by craftsmen for its beautiful, bold hue and durability, but it's not easy to work with. Due to its density, Purpleheart requires skilled hands to shape it into fine furniture or decorative pieces. Despite these challenges, the wood's unusual color and toughness make it a favorite among woodworkers looking for something truly unique. What makes rare wood so valuable? The extraordinary value of rare wood stems from a combination of factors: their scarcity, the difficulty of harvesting them, their unique physical properties, and sometimes their historical significance. Many rare woods are protected species, which adds to their allure and cost. Sustainable harvesting methods are increasingly important to ensure these incredible resources remain available for future generations. Each of these rare woods represents the beauty and resilience of nature, and their rarity only enhances their desirability. Conclusion: from the wood that sinks to ancient swamp logs, these rare types of wood are more than just materials. They are pieces of history and marvels of nature. Whether for their aesthetic beauty, their cultural value, or their unique properties, these woods are treasured by collectors and craftsmen alike. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content about the wonders of the natural world.